Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Crazy Marcus here, and today we're going to be taking a look down what we like to call the Yellow Brick Road. Now, last time we were down there it were looking quite unloved, quite abandoned. Whether it's still looking like that today, I don't know, but let's go have a look. So of course the Yellow Brick Road just starts sort of here. You got Tommy's and the other apartments that way, and of course this is another bit of the Yellow Brick Road. It had used to be yellow, unbelievably, but I believe both time and sun has wore that away, and now it's sort of the grey brick road, shall we say. We have part just to my left, part of the Med Player group of hotels. Of course, accept scooters there as well. However, I will advise, make sure you get Amigo 24 scooters, because they will not let you charge any other companies. However, if you are with an easy hire scooter, shop down there. Tommy's getting some good entertainment back on. Tribute to Shwaddy Roddy, our good friend Colin Campbell, or as I call him, Uncle Colin. He'll probably belt me after he sees that. And of course, Chris Cronus. I will say as well, it is 2 for 1 on spirits and local drinks in Tommy's. Most of the nights, 9 times out of 10 you're leaving there bladdered. Got the Servi Group Castilla. Just here guys, beautiful hotel. Try to get a better look at that. Looks gorgeous. This place here, I honestly don't know what it is. Either hearing it's gonna be like a cultural college centre type place, but yeah, if you look at this bit, yeah, it looks all nice, looks all finished, looks like it's open, but then of course come down the path past Easy Hire shop, and as you can see, the other side of the building not really the same as the front, still got work to be done. And to be honest, I've been doing this work for about a year now, if not more.
10 years?
Yeah, about 10 years now, I think. And they still haven't finished it, so does make you wonder what's going on there. And me blooming sandals come undone. Sorry about that, guys. Does make you wonder, like, what's happened there, if they just started and run out of money or something. Who knows? Quiet down this bit of the Yellow Brick Road. Then we come on the Northern Ireland bar, the best sports bar, probably open later today maybe, hopefully. Of course, Japanese restaurant there, we yet to try that. And we're on to Calais Beaver. One of many sort of side streets off, of course, the Yellow Brick Road. Coming down onto the second half, looks like finally something's been done to the old escape rooms. Looks like it's been done into like a kids' play area, cafe type place. Not bad. Now the problem with the Yellow Brick Road is not many people tend to walk down here. And when they do walk down here, they know where they're going. They're either going down the strip or down the seafront. Got them bulge there that used to be the Hawaii 5.0 bar. The Hookah Lounge and Mars Barber Shop. And well, as you can see, it's pretty quiet down here in my... Sadly, to be honest, this is pretty much as busy as it gets down here. Blackpool Bar there, I don't know what's going on with that, whether they will start putting another bar in there or something. Humber Pilot there, think that will be open later maybe. Charity shop as well, yep, unbelievably we have charity shops in Spain. Even though this one's closed until 1st of September. Bit weird, but staff do of course need a break occasionally, so hope they enjoy. The Crown there, Belgium type pub. Oh, looks like they do some good steak and grill stuff. Oh, yummy. Of course, I'm not sure if it's coming up on camera. I'll try to show you. The old abandoned chicken restaurant. Gosh. Anyone remember when that used to be open and it used to always be full? No matter what day it was, it would always be heaving. And now, just left to what? Left to go abandoned. Think it were one of Mike's vids. He had a look in there and there were actually a homeless bloke had made himself a little sort of house in there. And to be quite fair, do you blame him? Like, no one's using it. He's probably managed to like, open one of the sliding doors to get himself in and just thought, well, like, it's out the way. Probably not going to get any of the cold in or the heat, and no one will really bother him. It's the second sort of abandoned area down here, the old shopping centre. I think all that remains in there now is some tattoo shops, an escape room, which is surprising. Got a new scooter shop there. think there's a few sort of estate agents and offices in there as well, guys, but mostly just abandoned. I'll never understand that with Benidorm, to be fair. We have quite a lot of abandoned places around here. Shopping centres, nightclubs, stuff like that, and quite often that's what happens. I just remain abandoned, sadly. When I mean, surely someone gets a good bit of money that can come and return it to its former glory. But never do. Anyway, I'll finish off by showing you Rockstar Bar. I still believe that Frank's stag group, FK it, they own the rooftop area for private parties, which is pretty cool. Anyway guys, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and if you want to see videos 24 hours early, check out the membership, and I'll see you next time.